Certainly traders, it's another day. I hope you're doing good wherever you are. Today we're looking at the power tree. So this is the concept that was invented by ICT, Michael, and it's so generic. It almost play out every day across different asset class. So here we're looking at GPP, JPY. Today power tree was so evident. It's a very simple concept which I really apply it on my daily trading almost every day, and yeah, it's so evident on the chart. You see it playing out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday around major pairs. You will see this pattern playing out. So basically, I want to talk about the simple things that you need to understand when it comes to power tree. Number one, you have to understand liquidity, where because market is trying to reach liquidity, you know, each and every day. So you need to understand liquidity, and also there are four things that you need to know about the bar candle. So this is the bar candles for a day, the daily bar candles. So basically, you will have your accumulation, and then you will have your manipulation, and you will have your expansion and your distribution. So what happens on the accumulation phase is when institutions are accumulating orders, and then they will move price to the wrong direction, you see. So they move price to a wrong direction, an opposite direction in regard to the direction of the day. So it's to manipulate traders and to put traders in a wrong side of them, of the right direction of the day. So they will do this by reaching the liquidity above the agent session and the liquidity above the previous daily high, and after that they will then place their trades and push price to the right direction, which is your expansion. From here, this is the expansion. So you have your accumulation, the manipulation to the upside, and your expansion to the downside. So this is your accumulation, your manipulation, and your expansion to the downside. So before the market close, it will then distribute. There will be a distribution phase, and then it will close. So it is just like that. It's so simple. So this is what you have to look for. If you are trading this strategy, this is what you have to look for. You have to look. You don't have to look other things. I know that price will make you to focus on things which you're not supposed to focus to on. I mean, but if you are going to focus on this concept and trade it again and again on your demo account until you master it, until you understand it. So this is not a financial advice. So whatever you do, you are making your own decision. Um, I can have enough confidence in your demo account, trade it again and again and again, repeatedly, you know, until you are confident enough to execute it. You see, so you will decide when you want to execute, or if you see that is working for you, you can then decide when you want to trade it on a live account, of which I don't recommend. You have to calculate your risk. You have to be confident enough. You have to know what you're doing. You see, so yeah. So this is what power tree is all about. So let's check again the CAT JPY. So as you can see here on CAT JPY, we have the opening. So again, another thing that I forgot to highlight that side is that when you're trading the power tree, you see you need to enter above the opening price. When the market is going up, that's when you need to take your trade. You see, you need to be confident enough. If you have a bias in mind, follow your bias and be confident enough to trade above the opening price, and then or just close, you see, just near the opening price, or above the opening price. That's where you want to take your trade. This is the right area. This is the right area to execute your trade. So you enter early before everyone else. So yeah, so you will see this poetry being evident. I mean, this poetry is so evident. This concept is so evident across almost all time frames. You will see it on the daily chart, on your weekly chart, and so yeah, you can follow. This is the range of the day, or it can be the range of the week, can be the range of the month. So you just have to understand this. So you'll apply the same thing, the opposite thing, in a bullish environment. In a bullish environment, is the same concept. You just apply an upside of this thing. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy, wherever you are, and I hope you'll give yourself time to study and to understand this concept. It's a simple concept. It's very generic. It play out almost every week, and mostly on your major pairs. You'll see it on the pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, you know USD JPY. You will see um this concept playing out. Just go there and look for this on your chart, and you will see this is power. This is poetry. This is your accumulation. This is your manipulation, expansion, and distribution. That's it, fellas. Cheers. I hope you enjoy. All the best for your trading. Signing out.